In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a phone number from your Amazon account. Before we start, make sure you're already signed into your Amazon account on a web browser. This process is much easier to complete on a computer, but it also works in a browser on your phone or tablet. Just remember that you need to be logged into the correct account, the one that currently has the phone number you want to remove. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Don't click it yet. Instead, move your mouse over it and hover for a second. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the Your Account page, you'll see a variety of sections or tiles, each dealing with different parts of your account. Look for the one labeled Login and Security. Go ahead and click on that. For security reasons, Amazon may ask you to re-enter your password or confirm your identity. If it does, just follow the prompt and then continue. Inside the Login and Security section, you'll see several pieces of information related to your account, such as your name, email address, and your primary mobile number. Focus on the row that says Primary Mobile Number. On the right side of that row, you'll see an Edit button. Click the Edit button. The page will refresh to show the details for your current mobile number. Here, you'll see your existing phone number and to the right of it, a Delete button. Click the Delete button. As soon as you do this, a confirmation pop-up will appear. It will warn you that if you delete this phone number, you will no longer be able to sign in or receive notifications using that number. This is important, especially if you use your phone number for two-step verification or security alerts. Take a moment to be sure you really want to remove it, and that you either have another phone number on your account or another way to sign in securely. If you're sure you want to go ahead, click Yes, Delete in the pop-up. Once you confirm, Amazon will remove that phone number from your account. You should see that the primary mobile number is no longer listed there, or the page will update to reflect that it's been deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a phone number from your Amazon account.